songs are story songs. Lately I've been doing a big picture song. Tonight I've got a song, actually I wrote today. And it's the first time I played this guitar and first time I played this song. It's called The Flood. We all know that story of the flood. Noah and the ark. Noah's family and all the animals. They were the remnant of good. The replant of the earth to grow anew again. A long battle, a fight between good and evil. That battle's been raging here on earth ever since day one. The reason for it all. So why do bad things happen? Why do bad things? They happen for a reason. Simple. The one level. Kill evil. But there's way more to that. Way more to that. Now, big reason to grow. Grow good. Out of every flood, good flows. People pitched in, helped their neighbors. People looking to God for an answer. And even those who don't believe, they're still looking for a reason. That reason? For the floods. Growing the kingdom of light, the kingdom of good. Happened in Harvey, happened in Cortina, happened in Kerrville this last 4th of July. Now people looking out, looking to listen to the Lord. Without a push, most of us just ignore His calling. We all know that story of the flood. Noah and the ark. Noah's family, all the animals. They were in the flood. Now you know God's mind in action. Growing the good. Growing the light. Growing kingly ways that most never see. The flood.